Hi and welcome to another product demo from FobFix.com. Today we're going to be programming the a remote key to this 19 plate Transit Custom. I'll just have a wander around to the van. Now the owner's only got one standard fixed blade key that fits the ignition, and I'll show you this one. Starts the vehicle. That's that one, and he's wanting a remote key. But this one's not currently programmed. We pop that in the ignition, turn the ignition on, try and crank it. Don't get focus there. Once it gets past all the things, it will say no key detected, not currently programmed. So the standard programmer will just do it in key add mode this time, which is, if you've seen our other videos, switch for up. The OBD port on these ones is not behind a little separate panel, it's behind this panel here, and it's just there. So what we'll do is take the remote we want to program, pop it in the ignition, turn the ignition on, take the programmer, pop that into there, and it goes through its usual rigmarole. I don't know whether the sunshine you can see the light flashing at all, but it'll give a fair few green flashes, then some rapid green flashes. Dashboard will make a load of chiming sounds while that does its bit. And what we're waiting for is a long high beep and a blue light on the programmer, and that's our key to cycle the ignition key in the ignition. Keep hearing clicks from the dash as it resets. There we go. Key off, key back on, and key program successful. There we go. Wait for the programmer to finish. It'll just 1, 2, 3 keys now programmed to the van. Job done. Disconnect that and just press the buttons a few times. There you go. Click, click. Try to key in the ignition, and it should be good to go. Thanks for watching.